Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. I know it's been a while, but today we are going to review the Bell LED lamp. And I actually purchased two of these because one for each side so that nobody's got to cross over hands or anything like that. So this is what it looks like out of the box, and I'm going to show you guys how it comes. So stick around. Okay, so this is how the box came. I purchased this on Amazon. It was $59.98, I believe, a piece. So altogether, it was a little over $120 once the tax kicked in. But I like the packaging. I think it's cute. So this is it. Pretty decent sized box. You pull. I hate these type because I can't ever get them with my nails. And it's a good thing I'm doing a new set on myself soon because mine have about had it. Okay, so when we open it up, let's see, it's got foam, thicker foam, which I like to see, which means they take care of how it's packaged. This is a cordless lamp. It's rechargeable. I really wanted one like that so that way I didn't have to worry about cords all the time. So, instruction booklet, always good to have. And then, let's see, pull this out. Maybe. Okay, and then the rest of the box has the same padding all over it. So you guys can see top and bottom sides all around. And then the lamp itself is wrapped. I'm just going to rip this open. Okay. And I'm assuming this is the cord for charging. Which, yeah, it is. Okay. Basic cord. And then, let's take this out. I like that the bottom of it is magnetic. So you can pop this on and pop it off for pedicures. And then it just has this, I'll peel that off later. Because I feel, oh, maybe I'll just do it through here. Yeah, there we go. This protective film on both sides of the lamp, or the sheet of whatever you want to call it. Probably aluminum. I honestly don't know. Okay, and then the same thing on this side. Peel this off real quick. Okay, and then like I said, it is magnetic. Actually has a good magnetic hold, and this does not come charged, obviously. Power on and off switch. This is the model and everything, so you guys can see. Let's see, I don't know if you guys just want to screenshot that or whatever, but I will leave a link in the description box for you guys, and it does fit your hand comfortably. Let's go ahead and do it like that. All of your fingers fit well, so we don't have to worry about not being able to fit it in. And then, let's see, I have this other one charging right now, so you guys can see it with the lights on. And it does have a 10-second, a 30-second, a 60-second, and a 90-second, which is low heat. And then the display, the timer display also has protective film on it, which is nice, but that will drive me nuts. So I'm going to go ahead and peel it off. And then when you put your hand in, basic light, it's not too hot or anything like that. So I'm going to do a couple of things with it, see how it cures. I'll be back. Okay, while I was plugging it in, I decided that I wanted to read the instructions a little bit. It is cordless. It is a 54 watt LED lamp. It says that when the battery capacity is lower than 15%, the 10-second button will become red so that you know that you need to charge it. And a full charge time is 2.5 hours. All of these buttons will be blinking, like this one here. Well, this one is the only one that's blinking on this, but once all 4 of them are solid like these 3, then that means your lamp is fully charged. So any other, obviously we don't want to get liquid on the inside of this. If you are not going to use it for more than 30 minutes and you have it plugged in, you need to unplug it because you can reduce the life of the lamp itself. But other than that, everything else is kind of self-explanatory. Obviously, don't get it wet. Yeah, but okay, so let's paint something and see how it dries. Okay, so this is just a tip that I did some ombre on. Or, you know, was just messing around. So I want to take some black gel polish and just paint a coat on real quick because I just want to make sure that this cures. And black is a color that you can tell right away if it hasn't cured. Okay, so I'm gonna pop this into the lamp. Okay, now what I did with that was I pressed the 60-second button because it's a sensor to where it will automatically go on if you put your hand in, but the minute you take your hand out, it will turn it off. But you can do an auto, or not an auto, like a manual override, and make it stay on by pressing any of the buttons. So we'll do that and see what this comes out like. Okay, so looks really good, not splotchy, not, it's tacky, obviously, because it's gel polish, but there's nothing on my hands. So we'll do one more coat. And guys, please ignore the state of my nails. Yeah, I need to do them. They've taken a beating lately. Okay, so we're gonna pop this back in and I'm gonna do the same thing, hit it for 60 seconds. Most gel polishes cure 60 seconds, some are 30 seconds. I wouldn't go below that, obviously. You're not gonna get a full cure. And I'm actually gonna show you the lamp that I had previous to this. It technically still works. And honestly, I've had it for like 3 years. I'm gonna look and see if I can find if it's still available on Amazon. I wanted something not crazy expensive, but obviously still budget friendly. But I do believe that the lamp that I purchased before this was probably $15 or $20 cheaper, and it lasted me a long time. And the thing that I've learned about LED lamps is that even though the lights may come on, it's not necessarily curing anymore at its best potential. So you may need to replace your lamp even though the lights still technically work. I found that this lamp that I have been using for several years now, it's starting to not cure as well. So that's what made me want to purchase another one. And I just decided that I would go ahead and do 2 new ones so that, like I said, nobody would have to be crossing their arms back and forth. So let's take this out. And the thing about these is they are magnetic. So I don't have to worry about this necessarily sliding around in the lamp because it holds it in place. Okay, so now that we did the second coat, I'm just gonna top coat real quick. Maybe. I can't get my bottle open. I've got the worst habit of really tightening my gel bottles, like to where I can't open them. It's horrible. Okay, so this is a thicker gel top coat. It's from iGel Beauty, and I don't hate it, but at the same time, it can bulk out the sides of your nails. So I don't use it as much as my Koopa, but for demonstration purposes, I kind of wanted to go with something thicker so that way we can see how it cured. Okay, one more time, 60 seconds in the lamp. Okay, so I took it out. There's a couple blemishes, but that's just glitter from, or chrome, I should say, chrome bits. But yeah, it's fully cured, looks great. So I have no problems, obviously, with the strength of this lamp. Sometimes lamps are advertised at a certain strength, a certain wattage, and they work for crap. So I'm happy to see that this cures nicely. I'm gonna move this one aside real quick, unplug it, because this one is actually all the way charged. My husband plugged it in for me because they came today. So I'm gonna move that one to the side. And this is my old one. It's more of a dome lamp, and she's been Old Faithful for quite a while. It is the Deep Dream LED lamp. I believe this is 48 watts. And this is not a rechargeable one. So meaning it needs plugged in every time that you use it. But the top does come off, as you can see. We have so many different colors of polish in here. And I don't know if I'm going to be able to show you guys. Oh yeah, because the bottom comes off. So let me compare this real quick. I'm just going to shut this off. Okay, let's see. We have 2, 4, 6, 8, 16, 18, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30, 31. Okay, so we have 32 lights on this one, and 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, so 36 on this and 24 on this one. So the new one definitely has more lights to it. So I think I'm going to be really happy with this in terms of curing. But as starting out, this was an awesome lamp. I have absolutely no complaints about this. It worked great. Like I said, it's quite a few years old. I use Clorox wipes on this between every person that comes over. So it's taken a beating for quite a while. So I probably will keep this just as a backup. But like I said, it's starting to lose its power in it. But yeah, I will link this in the description box if I can actually find it, or maybe a dupe for it with some great reviews on Amazon. But that's going to be it for this video. And now I will just take a quick little shot of what my desk looks like now with everything on it. And I don't know, that's going to be it for this video. Sorry it's been a while since I haven't posted. I've had a lot going on, especially with the kids and work, and, you know, I have people coming over and following all the COVID protocols and everything like that. So it's been a while since I've uploaded a video, and hopefully I will get back on track for you guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you wouldn't mind, give this, you know, a thumbs up. And if you're subscribed, thank you for subscribing. And if you're new to my channel, welcome, and I hope you will subscribe. So until next time, take care, have a great day, stay safe, and just be nice, everybody. I think that's what we need. We need people to be nice. So until next time, bye-bye.